Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thank you so much for joining me here. I hope you're having an amazing day. We're going to take another look at Luna, see what's going on, of course. If you're new to the channel, not a financial advisor, just love teaching people how to trade, and I hope you can learn something here today. If you want to become a better trader, CryptoCache.tech, link in the description below. I send out signals for every single trade that I take. I have a trading academy and community to help you get on the right track with being a better trader. Been trading for over 15 years, and I can tell you, looking at coins like this makes me really happy and excited because I can tell that Luna is still hanging in there, holding strong. Looking at today's price action, it's much better than Bitcoin's price action, and the fact that we're kind of holding close to this Fibonacci retracement level of 0.786 at about $78.50 is a very, very good sign. So the price did come down to test that support, effectively closed down just barely below it, and then we come right back up today. So is it going to continue? Let's find out if it has those qualities. Taking a look at the moving averages, obviously that's null and void. Those are kind of below the price action, working as potential supports. So again, if the price does come down, next key level supports are $71, the close approximate, $66, as well as $60. Okay, so those are kind of just round numbers. Again, there's some dollars and cents in there, of course, but generally speaking, we shouldn't expect to see those levels tested for a little while based on the recent price action here for Luna. Again, pending Bitcoin doesn't drop to 35,000 or below 37, because 37 is kind of that point in which if it doesn't close above 37,000 soon, or just in the near future, for example, then it would be making lower highs, or sorry, it would not be consistently making higher lows, rather. Okay, so it needs to be making more higher lows, it'd be breaking that trend line. A lot of negative things would happen. So again, with tomorrow's news, some stuff going on, I'd be mindful of the fact that that's going to factor in here. Okay. Minus that, we're up over 50 on the RSI, below 70, fantastic. We have a potential MACD divergence on the actual, one-day time frame. It doesn't look like it's coming to a full head, of course, with today's recent increase, but just know that that momentum could carry down lower, right? Because once again, Luna is, I guess you could say, for lack of better terms, it's definitely a bit on the overextended side. I'm not saying now because it's calmed down, the RSI is relaxed, and the MACD is diverging. That divergence is dissipating, but the key takeaway here is that, Luna did a pretty significant increase in 1 week time. It almost jumped up 100%, okay? That's quite a lot of movement for any coin, okay? So again, just bear that in mind. There is potential more, for more pullback, but here's some positive. This is tentative, of course, for the moment. We're not fully closed yet, but this candlestick, if we can get this 4-hour candlestick here to close, which is only about an hour in, so we've got 3 hours left. If we can close above this key level here, right around $82.68, then we'll be making higher highs, right? Because again, this entire time we've been making lower highs, and if this one, if this one gets stopped out and comes back down, then we'll still be making lower highs, right? So I'd say probably best to wait for this trading day to close to get confirmation and know that we are actually on the right side there. Because if we are making higher highs from Luna, then there's potential for higher lows, and then we can break that trend that we're in right now. That's ultimately what we're looking for. But again, the 4-hour time frame, the 200 is working its way up, the 50 is working as potential resistance, which is synonymous in a lot of ways with $88, which is a key level resistance still at this point. Okay, so if we can break 88 and close above 88 today, that'd be phenomenal. But I'll even take an 83 or 84 at this point, just based on the fact that it would kind of help us make that higher high on the 4-hour time frame, and that'll transition to a higher high on the 1-day chart eventually. Okay, again, good stuff there in that sense. Looking at the MACD convergence, we just had one, of course. That was just about somewhere in the range of 4 to 5 hours ago, and we're back up over 50 in the RSI as well. So all good stuff here for Luna. Luna's looking very good, and it's not extremely overextended at all either. We're at a 3, so we could literally see another full 24 hours of bullish momentum from Luna. Okay. Again, pending Bitcoin doesn't do anything stupid and obnoxious and just drop its bottom, I think Luna will slowly continue to progress upwards and break its high of close to approximately $100. All right, I think it was 99 if I'm not mistaken on the 1-day close. So looking at the 1 hour, let's go ahead and take a quick look at the cloud. We actually have an Ishimoku cloud breakthrough. So these are all good signs here. This basically tells us we want to consider taking entry because we're above the cloud, conversion lines above the baseline, and we effectively have the lagging span free and clear of any price action. Just keep in mind, this 1 hour candlestick hasn't officially closed above yet. This is only about 18 minutes into this time frame here, right? So this is a very good sign, but just know it's a little premature for that full-on confirmation you want to have. You want to wait for the 1 hour candlestick to close, at least a couple of hours above the cloud to get that full confirmation, okay? But again, wouldn't be terrible to dollar cost average at this point. It does look like it has every indication it wants to go up. And take a look at this here. Higher lows and higher highs. All good qualities. So I would say Luna is a good buy at this point. It's not giving us any indication it's going to want to turn around. And ultimately, again, as long as we can close somewhere above $83 today, I think that'd be a very, very good sign. Okay, so that's kind of where we're at here for Luna. Luna's looking pretty nice for the moment, so just bear in mind we should expect the price to likely continue to the upside. Now that we're back above the cloud, that momentum is shifting and things are looking better. Hope you found benefit here today, of course. That's pretty much all we have for the moment. And yeah, just to summarize, Luna is looking good, and I think we are still going to probably see it break its all-time higher here in the near future. Thanks again for your time. I look forward to seeing the next video. Link in the description below in case you want to become a community member, CryptoCache.tech. I look forward to getting to know you better. Have yourself a great rest of your day. Thank you.